What's up, guys? My name is David, and I'm going to drink this can of soda and burp so loud your ears are going to burst. So,
through the video. Later.
Open up the can. You start jugging.
How would you
One.
Exactly 2 seconds.
Well, now you can get professional salon results right at home in just minutes with Salon Express.
I feel a bunch of hot air. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just felt a bunch of. I did. I felt a bunch of hot air.
I'm going to continue. Courtney, shut up!
So now I can do it myself, and you know what? People are going to be commenting on it all night when I'm out. Come, voila.
I don't feel another bunch of hot air. Let me just scooch a dooch. Are you done? Are you done?
One more look at this guy. One more.
Hopefully my arms don't get hot. Oh, I feel it. Keep drinking. What that was?
It pupurated out of my nose.
Ouch.
Oh.
Do you have more?
Ow, that hurts. There, more. Oh. Oh. Ow. Shut up, Courtney.
That's right. You get the designer kit, the French manicure disc, and the 8-piece manicure set, all for only $10.
To order Salon Express for $10 plus $6.99 shipping and handling, you can call 800-781-045.
Oh, you go. In it now.